Hey there, we are the Babes That Wander.
A group of diverse women with a shared love of travel.
Follow along as we explore the world,
one amazing destination at a time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Now, let's wander to Las Vegas.
Good morning. We are gonna go ride some gondolas here at the Venetian. I feel like I'm back in Venice, Italy. This is so cool. And we're all dressed in our most extra looks.
Surprise us.
Yes, what's your favorite?
Hey mambo,
Mambo Italiano,
hey mambo, mambo Italiano, go go Joe. Mixed up Siciliano, all you gotta brace and do is mambo. Hey mambo, mambo mozzarella, hey mambo, mambo Italiano. Love how you dance rumba, but take this I'm a paisano. Learn how to mambo. If you're gonna be a square, ain't gonna go nowhere. Hey mambo, mambo. Che bello è oh, the night will be its magic spell when the one you love is near. For this is a night.
Bravissimo! We lugged our entire lives up to our hotel room at the Palazzo, the Venetian Palazzo, the Palazzo Venetian. You know what I'm talking about. This is where we're going to be staying for the next 2 nights of our trip. And oh my God, I have heard amazing things about the suites here or the rooms at the Palazzo, that they're huge and that the bathrooms are like ridiculous. And I'm not disappointed. Look at this room. Here is the bathroom. Like, holy beautiful vanity. Huge sink, bathtub, shower. 2 very nice beds.
We're princesses.
Yes, we are princesses. This is like a princess room, and you're dressed like a princess right now.
I am the princess.
We have a whole little sitting room area over here too. With a TV, a little table, a desk. All right, that's not a bad view. This is amazing. So it is our final day here in Vegas. We're finally sitting down to have some food. So hungry. We're here at Brera Osteria in St. Mark's Square. Honestly, this is so cool. I love this hotel so much.
And then you got scallops.
Pizza! All right. Prosciutto pizza is always my move. Thank you so much. So yum. Lauren and I thought alike here. Both wanted scallops.
Love to be treated this way all the time. It's just next level service in Vegas. I feel like a princess.
Yes,
Which
you are.
I should be treated this way all the time, but nobody recognizes, so.
Just got back to our room and they sent us this cute little tray of goodies. It is so nice of them. Above, little chocolate macarons and chocolate covered strawberries. God, it smells so good. Let's open this bubbly. Hey. Cheers. I made all of these girls get these feather pajamas just so that we could take this picture. These are much cuter.
Lauren and I headed to the Dorsey in the Venetian Casino for some classic cocktail libations in their very sexy bar area.
This girl just turned 30 like 30 minutes ago. Happy birthday!
First drink at 30. This is a zodiac drink. It is a Sagittarius drink.
Welcome to your 30s. As someone who's 33. All right. Ooh, that's good.
Make sure to check the description box below for more videos of our Vegas adventure.